Hello friends, welcome to the channel The Learning Universe. Today we learn Indian breads. This is chapati. Chapati. This is phulka. Phulka. This is Puri. Puri. This is bajara roti. Bajara roti. This is thalipit. Thalipit. This is Jowar bhakri. Jowar bhakri. This is parotta. Parotta. This is pathiri. Pathiri. This is puran poli. Puran poli. This is luchi. Luchi. This is dosa. Dosa. This is appam. Appam. This is bhatoora. Bhatoora. This is kulcha. Kulcha. This is paratha. Paratha. This is naan. Naan. This is thepla. Thepla. This is litti. Litti. This is bati. Bati. Please like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you.